In this video we are going to synthesize Hydantoin. First we will obtain ethyl uridoacetate, which is an intermediate in the synthesis of Hydantoin. It is obtained by the action of urea on ethyl glycidate in an acid medium. To obtain uridoacetate, we will set up a 1000 ml flask with a reflux condenser. We put 17.5 grams of ethyl glycidate, 30 grams of urea, 50 milliliters of water, 1 milliliter of concentrated hydrochloric acid and 1 milliliter of glacial acetic acid. Heat to boiling for 2 hours. Allow to cool and store in refrigerator for 12 hours to crystallize. White crystals are obtained and collected by suction. Dry the product in an oven at 60 degrees for 4 hours. Determine the melting point. The theoretical melting point of ethyl uridoacetate is 135 degrees. In our assay we obtained a very wide value, from 122 to 135 degrees. To purify the uridoacetate we are going to recrystallize it in hot ethanol. Dilute all the product obtained, about 12 grams, in 100 milliliters of 96% ethanol. It was left to cool overnight and some transparent crystals appeared. A small amount was obtained. Collect the crystals by suction. The filtered liquid was evaporated to 1/3 of its volume and allowed to cool to crystallize overnight. Collect the crystals and dry at 40 degrees. The melting point was determined being higher than in the previous assay. In this test the value was 135 to 140 degrees. Much closer to the theoretical melting point of ethyl uridoacetate. In this experiment 9 grams of product were obtained. Now we are going to obtain the Hydantoin. First we prepared diluted hydrochloric acid. We put in a test tube 4 milliliters of water and 6 milliliters of concentrated hydrochloric acid. We put in a bath of hot water, a glass of 25 milliliters with 4 grams of ethyl uridoacetate. We add the diluted hydrochloric acid that we have prepared. Heat with stirring for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we remove the glass of the water bath and we let cool to room temperature. It is observed that the Hydantoin crystallizes in the form of white crystals. Collect by suction and dry in oven at 40 degrees for 12 hours. To determine the melting point obtained was 215 degrees, the theoretical melting point is 220 degrees. A quite correct melting point. The yield on this operation was 42%.